1 year ago, I made a video showcasing 5 mind-blowing Scratch games, and these games were actually really good. And once I uploaded this video, I got a comment from the 3D Scratcher saying, and yet no one mentioned my 3D racing game, lol. And so I got curious, and after doing some research, I found his Scratch profile and was shocked after seeing his projects. And so in this video, we will be looking at some of his projects. Let's start off with Daytona USA 3D. This is the project he was talking about. For the smoothest experience, please use Turbo War. Okay, and let's start the project. This is some intro, so I need to press the space bar to actually start the game. And as you can see, this is a 3D racing game. A full 3D racing game, which is actually kind of crazy as this was made completely using the pen extension in Scratch. Okay, I'm so bad at this game. Let me start again. So there are like 40 cars racing with us, and we can even collide with these cars, which is really cool. We even have crowd, trees, so many other things in this game. I even saw a billboard showing an advertisement, and for some people this game is actually really hard. I'm going to start again and I'll try to win. Let's see. This game is actually fun. Oh, around 10 to 12 cars are down, like behind me. The physics in this game is also really good. Each car is able to accelerate and collide, and game over. I came 25th out of 40, which is mid, I guess. This game is crazy. So if I see inside, as you can see, this entire game was made in one sprite. That is some crazy work. This is all the code for the game. Let's check out some more of his projects. Let's say this Minecraft game. We have to play this in Turbo War as well. And by the name, it is indeed 3D Minecraft. We use the WASD keys to move and the arrow keys to turn. How do you place the blocks? Oh, by clicking E, we can actually place the blocks, and remove the block by clicking Q. We also have 8 other blocks here. We even have water. Okay, is that water? I'm not sure. All this was made using the pen extension. Trees, blocks, the terrain, everything. That is incredible. And the fact that it is 3D Minecraft itself is really cool. Like, we even have trees here. This is actually insane. We have more stuff here. This is not a complete game. It's just a simple ray tracer, and it was made in 2 hours. Okay, I don't know how that was made in 2 hours, but that is some good work. Then there's even GTA San Andreas. Now, I don't know what to say as I have not played GTA before, but let's just see. So I started the project. The project will load 122 texture files, approximately 18 seconds. Oh, we have to press space to load the game. Oh, this is a story. Okay, that's nice. Look at the effects, the lighting, trees, roads. Like, this is a 3D story, I guess. We even have cars here. So this is the player, and this 3D player actually has animations. Look at this walking animation. Now, even in Turbo Warp, it's quite laggy. I can't imagine playing this in Scratch. But this is insane. This full game was created in Scratch. There's even a mini map or something here. So this is not intended to be a game. It's just an experiment. But this is still really cool. He has even made full 3D game engine in Scratch. That is wild. So Glue 3D, welcome to Glue 3D. Okay, so that's the name of this game engine. And as you can see, this is a complete 3D game engine here. As you can see, this is the main camera. I can even import things like a box. This 3D editor has a lot in it. You have objects, textures, even a script editor, then obviously a scene editor, and even a model editor. And you can actually make some nice 3D games with this. And that's basically it for this video. We saw like 4 projects, but there are other good projects as well. Gran Turismo game, Lego Batman. You can check it out by going to his profile. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.